Hello kids! We are already in our Quarter 3, Week 4 with the topic Identifying Main Idea, Key Sentences, and Supporting Details. At the end of this lesson, you are expected to identify the main idea, key sentences, and supporting details from the text read. Let's have a drill. Read each paragraph. Identify the sentence with the main idea. Here's the paragraph. Kittens need special care. You have to feed kittens twice a day. They are very playful. You need to play with them often. The example answer here is, kittens need special care. Number 1. Apples can make very delicious desserts. Some bake them as apple pie. Others make them as applesauce. Most people wash and bite the apples to eat. The main idea for this paragraph is, apples can make very delicious desserts. Number 2. Chameleons change color from time to time. They change colors to regulate their body temperature. Sometimes they do so to hide from their predators. They change colors too, to attract their potential mates. The main idea for this paragraph is, chameleons change color from time to time. Number 3. Jellyfish are carnivorous animals. They eat different sea creatures from shrimps to fish. They also devour planktons and other jellyfish. The main idea is, jellyfish are carnivorous animals. Number 4. Violins and viola are very similar stringed instruments. Both have 4 strings. They are held between the shoulder and the chin. The main idea is, violins and viola are very similar stringed instruments. Number 5. Dachshunds are wonderful pets to have. They are loving and playful. They don't shed much. They are very adaptive to the environment. That is why they can live even in a small house. The main idea is, dachshunds are wonderful pets to have. Let's have a review. Write GS if the statement is a general statement and SS if the statement is a specific statement. Here are the answers. Now listen as I read a passage about the sun. The sun. The sun affects life on Earth in many ways. It is very vital to the Earth. The sun is a star at the core of our solar system. It is one of many stars in the space. The Sun is actually a small star compared to the other stars. The Sun gives light and warmth to the living things on Earth. Plants depend on sun to help them make food and grow. Animals and humans benefit from the sun's effect on the bodies since sunlight on skin produces vitamin D, which is needed in the structure of strong bones. Without sun's heat, Earth would freeze. What is the title of the passage? What is the passage all about? What does the sun give to the earth? How do plants depend on the sun? How do the animals and humans benefit from the sun? The sun affects life on earth in many different ways tells about the passage. This is the main idea. It is often found at the beginning of the passage. The second statement is the key sentence. The key sentence states the main idea. The other information about the sun are the supporting details, which support the main idea. They give more information about the main idea. What is main idea? This tells what a passage is about. How to look for the main idea? Look at the title and pictures. Sometimes can be found in the beginning or at the end of the paragraph. Look for clue words repeated over and over. What is topic sentence? This states the main idea of a passage. It may be found at the beginning, in the middle, or at the end of the paragraph. What are supporting details? These are ideas, details, and examples that support the main idea. Practice number 1. Read the passage and answer the following questions orally. Enemies of the plants and trees. Plants and trees have plenty of enemies. Some insects are the enemies of the plants. They lay their eggs on the leaves of the trees. Some animals like rats and snails are plants' enemies too, because they eat the young leaves of the plants. Strong winds are also bad for our plants and trees. They blow their leaves and small branches during storms. Some girls and boys are also enemies of plants. Some of them like to play with branches when they pick leaves or flowers. Plants and trees are our friends. We must not destroy them. We should take good care of them. What is the main idea? A. Plants are important. B. Plants and trees are our friends. C. Plants and trees have many enemies. D. Stop picking plants. The answer is number 2. What is the key sentence of the passage? A. Plants and trees have enemies. B. Plants and trees are our friends. C. We should take care of the plants and trees. D. Plants and trees are everywhere. The answer is write 3 details from the passage. You have 2 minutes to answer this. are the answers. Some insects are the enemies of the plants. Strong winds are also bad for our plants and trees. Some girls and boys are also enemies of the plants. Practice number 2. Read the passage and complete the web by writing the main idea and supporting details. Spiders. Spiders are arachnids. They are not insects. They have 8 legs, not 6. They have 2 body parts instead of 3. The head and the thorax are joined on spider's body. Spiders do not have wings like most of the insects do. Spiders make silk which they spin into sticky webs. They use these webs to trap food. Spiders eat insects, worms, snails, and small vertebrates like frogs, lizards, birds, and bats. Here are the answers. The main idea is spiders are arachnids, they are not insects. The supporting details are they have 8 legs, not 6. They have 2 body parts instead of 3. Spiders do not have wings like most of the insects do. Did you get them all correct? For evaluation, read the selection and answer the questions that follow. Write the letter of the correct answer. An average beehive consists of 20,000 bees. Within the colony, there are 3 different types of bees. Each bee has its own important job. One queen bee lives in a hive and her only job is to lay eggs. The male bee's job is to mate with the queen. Worker bees, on the other hand, are extremely busy. They have many jobs to do. They clean, gather pollen, build new comb, and take care of the larvae. 1. What is the main idea of the selection? A. An average beehive consists of 20,000 bees. B. There are 3 types of bees. Each bee has its own important job. C. One queen bee lives in a hive and her only job is to lay eggs. D. The male bee's job is to mate with the queen. The answer is 2. How many supporting details are there in the selection? A. 1, B. 2, C. 3, D. 4. The answer is 3. What is the key sentence of the selection? A. An average beehive consists of 20,000 bees. B. There are 3 types of bees. Each bee has its own important job. C. One queen bee lives in a hive and her only job is to lay eggs. D. The male bee's job is to mate with the queen. The answer is... What are the 3 supporting details of the selection? You have 2 minutes to answer this question. The supporting details are: 1 queen bee lives in a hive and her only job is to lay eggs. The male bee's job is to mate with the queen. Worker bees, on the other hand, are extremely busy. Goodbye, kids! I hope you learn a lot from this lesson. See you next week!